stop scrolling. What I'm about to show you will literally transform your Hyundai's engine performance in the next 48 hours. There's a Hyundai Elantra in my shop right now with 178,000 miles on it. 2 weeks ago, it was misfiring, getting terrible fuel economy, and felt sluggish. The owner was convinced the engine was done and was shopping for a new car. Today, it runs smoother than brand new vehicles rolling off the lot. Better throttle response, no misfires. Fuel economy improved by 4 miles per gallon. The owner literally asked me if I swapped the engine. I didn't. I just did 7 specific things that reversed years of neglect. Here's what nobody tells you. Your Hyundai engine doesn't gradually wear out and die. It gets choked, starved, and suffocated by contamination that builds up over time. Remove that contamination, restore proper flow, and suddenly you have an engine that performs like it did on day one. I've done this hundreds of times on Hyundais from every generation. Elantras, Sonatas, Tucsons, Santa Fes, even Genesis models. The process works on 100,000-mile engines. It works on 200,000-mile engines. I've even brought back engines that other shops said were beyond saving. Today, I'm walking you through the exact step-by-step process that takes a tired, sluggish Hyundai engine and makes it run like new. This isn't about expensive parts or complicated repairs. It's about cleaning, restoring, and optimizing the engine you already have. Whether your Hyundai feels sluggish, gets poor mileage, idles rough, or just doesn't have the power it used to, this guide will bring it back to life. Let's get started. Understanding the problem. Why Hyundai engines lose performance. Before we fix anything, you need to understand what's actually wrong. And it's not what most people think. Your Hyundai engine doesn't die from wear, at least not initially. It dies from contamination. 3 types specifically: carbon buildup on intake valves and combustion chambers. This is especially severe on GDI gasoline direct injection engines found in most Hyundais since 2011. Carbon restricts airflow, disrupts the air-fuel mixture, and causes misfires, rough idle, and power loss. Oil sludge in the crankcase, oil galleries, and valve train. When oil isn't changed frequently enough, or when low-quality oil is used, it breaks down and forms thick sludge that restricts oil flow. This starves critical components of lubrication and causes accelerated wear. Fuel system deposits in injectors, intake manifold, and throttle body. Over time, fuel leaves varnish-like deposits that restrict flow and disrupt the precise fuel metering your engine needs. Remove these 3 contaminants, and your engine breathes freely, lubricates properly, and meters fuel correctly. The result? Performance that rivals a brand new engine. Step 1. The deep oil flush that changes everything. This is where we start, and it's the most important step. Your engine's oil system is likely contaminated with sludge, varnish, and deposits that restrict flow and reduce lubrication effectiveness. Here's the process. Get your engine to operating temperature. Drive it for at least 15 minutes to warm the oil completely. Warm oil flows better and carries more contaminants when drained. Add an engine flush product. I recommend Liquimoly Engine Flush or BG Engine Performance Restoration. These aren't snake oil. They actually work by dissolving sludge and varnish. Add the entire bottle to your oil following the product directions. Idle for 5 to 10 minutes as directed on the product. Don't drive it, just let it idle. The flush circulates through the entire oil system, breaking down deposits in oil galleries, around piston rings, and in the valve train. Drain the oil immediately while still hot. You'll be shocked at what comes out. Instead of normal used oil, you'll see dark, contaminated sludge. That's years of buildup leaving your engine. Replace the oil filter. This is critical. Don't reuse the old filter. It's full of the contamination you just flushed out. Refill with quality, full synthetic oil. For most Hyundais, that's 5W20 or 5W30. Use a premium synthetic like Mobil 1, Pennzoil Platinum, or Castrol Edge. Not bargain oil. This is where quality matters. Drive 500 to 1,000 miles and change the oil again. This second oil change is crucial. The initial flush removes most contamination, but there's always residual sludge. The second change gets what the first one loosened. After this process, your engine's internal components will be cleaner than they've been in years. You'll notice smoother operation almost immediately. Step 2. The GDI carbon cleaning, critical for 2011 plus models. If you have a Hyundai with direct injection, which includes most models from 2011 onward, carbon buildup on your intake valves is killing performance. This is non-negotiable. You must address this. There are 3 ways to clean intake valve carbon. Professional walnut blasting. This is the gold standard. A shop removes your intake manifold and uses crushed walnut shells propelled by compressed air to blast carbon off the valves. It's thorough, safe for the engine, and completely removes deposits. Cost: $400 to $800 depending on your engine. Chemical spray cleaning. Some shops offer a service where they spray cleaning chemicals directly into the intake while the engine runs. This is less effective than walnut blasting but costs less $150 to $300 and still provides significant improvement. DIY seafoam treatment. This is the budget option. With the engine running, slowly pour seafoam or similar product into the brake booster vacuum line. The engine will smoke heavily. This is normal. The seafoam is burning off carbon deposits. This method is less effective than the others, but better than nothing. For best results, if you've never cleaned your GDI engine and it has over 60,000 miles, invest in professional walnut blasting. The performance improvement is dramatic. After cleaning, you'll notice smoother idle, better throttle response, improved acceleration, no more misfires or rough running, better fuel economy. To prevent future buildup, use a GDI-specific fuel system cleaner every 5,000 miles and consider installing an oil catch can. Step 3. The fuel system deep clean. Your fuel system is probably dirtier than you think. Injectors develop deposits, the throttle body gets carboned up, and the intake manifold accumulates gunk. All of this restricts flow and disrupts the precise air-fuel mixture your engine needs. Here's the complete fuel system cleaning process. Clean the throttle body manually. Remove the intake tube, spray throttle body cleaner on a rag, and wipe the throttle plate and bore until they're spotless. Don't spray cleaner directly on the throttle plate if you have an electronic throttle. It can damage sensors. On older cable-driven throttles, you can spray more liberally. Use a professional-grade fuel system cleaner. Add Chevron Techron Concentrate, Liqui Moly Injection Cleaner, or BG44K to a full tank of gas. These products actually clean injectors and remove deposits. Don't use cheap gas station additives. They don't work. Consider a professional injector cleaning service. If your Hyundai has over 100,000 miles and has never had injectors cleaned, a professional ultrasonic cleaning service, $150 to $250, can restore them to like-new condition. This is especially valuable for GDI injectors, which operate at extremely high pressures and are sensitive to deposits. Replace your fuel filter if your Hyundai has an external one, most pre-2012 models. For newer models with in-tank filters, fuel system cleaners become even more important since you can't easily replace the filter. After fuel system cleaning, you'll experience smoother acceleration, better fuel economy, improved idle quality, more responsive throttle, potentially better cold starts. Step 4. The air intake system restoration. Your engine can't run properly if it can't breathe. The air intake system is often overlooked, but cleaning it makes a noticeable difference. Replace your engine air filter. If it's dirty, you're restricting airflow. A new filter is cheap, $15 to $30. Don't try to clean paper filters, just replace them. The restriction from a dirty filter makes your engine work harder and reduces power. Clean your mass airflow sensor MAF. This sensor measures incoming air and tells the computer how much fuel to inject. When contaminated with oil or dirt, it gives false readings, causing poor fuel economy and performance. Use MAF-specific cleaner, not brake cleaner or carburetor cleaner, which can damage the delicate sensor. Spray it gently and let it air dry. Inspect all intake hoses and connections. Look for cracks, loose clamps, or disconnected hoses. Even a small air leak after the MAF sensor causes running problems because the computer doesn't account for that extra air. Clean the intake manifold. If you're comfortable removing it, clean the inside with intake cleaner or carburetor cleaner. Years of oil vapor and EGR gases leave deposits that restrict flow. A clean, unrestricted air intake system provides better throttle response, improved fuel economy, smoother acceleration, more power throughout the RPM range. Step 5. The spark plug transformation. Old, worn spark plugs are performance killers. Even if they're not causing misfires, they're not firing optimally. Fresh plugs make a dramatic difference. Replace all spark plugs with OEM spec plugs. For Hyundais, that usually means NGK or Denso plugs. Use the exact heat range and gap specified for your engine. Don't upgrade to performance plugs. They usually cause more problems than they solve. Inspect ignition coils while you're in there. Look for cracks, oil contamination, or carbon tracking. If coils look questionable, replace them. A failing coil causes misfires and rough running. If one has failed, consider replacing all of them since they're all the same age. Check spark plug wires if your Hyundai has them. Older models. Look for cracks, burns, or deterioration. Bad wires cause weak spark and misfires. Gap your plugs properly. Even new plugs sometimes need gap adjustment. Check your specifications and use a proper gapping tool. Incorrect gap causes weak spark and poor performance. After new plugs and coils, you'll notice smoother idle, better acceleration, improved fuel economy, often 2 to 3 miles per gallon, easier cold starts. No more hesitation or stumbling for turbocharged Hyundais, 1.6T and 2.0T engines. Fresh plugs are even more critical. The higher combustion pressures wear plugs faster. Step 6. The cooling system refresh. A contaminated cooling system reduces efficiency, causes hot spots, and makes your engine run hotter than optimal. A clean cooling system helps your engine perform at its best. Flush the cooling system completely. Don't just drain and fill, actually flush it. Use a proper flush solution like Preston Flush or a similar product. This removes rust, scale, and old coolant residue that restricts flow. Refill with fresh coolant. Use Hyundai Long Life Coolant, the green stuff, or an equivalent that meets MS591-08 specification. Mix it 50-50 with distilled water, never tap water, which contains minerals that cause corrosion and deposits. Replace the thermostat. If your Hyundai has over 100,000 miles and you've never replaced the thermostat, do it now. A thermostat that opens too soon makes your engine run cold, reducing efficiency and power. One that opens too late causes overheating. A new thermostat costs $30 to $60 and ensures proper operating temperature. Replace the radiator cap. It's a $15 part that maintains proper system pressure. A weak cap reduces the boiling point of your coolant and can cause overheating. Bleed the system properly after filling. Air pockets cause localized hot spots and reduce cooling efficiency. Follow your Hyundai's specific bleeding procedure. A refreshed cooling system provides optimal engine operating temperature, better fuel economy, more consistent performance, reduced risk of overheating, extended engine life. Step 7. The transmission connection. This might surprise you, but transmission condition affects engine performance. A transmission that's slipping or shifting poorly makes the engine work harder and feel less responsive. Drain and fill the transmission fluid. Even if you're not doing a full transmission service, one drain and fill refreshes about 40% of the fluid. Use only Hyundai spec fluid, usually SP4 or SP4RR for automatics, or specific DCT fluid for dual clutch transmissions. Reset the transmission adaptive learning. Many Hyundais learn your driving habits and adjust shift points. Sometimes this adaptation goes wrong, causing poor shifting. Disconnecting the battery for 30 minutes resets this learning. When you reconnect it, drive gently for the first 30 to 50 miles while the transmission relearns. After transmission service, you'll experience smoother shifts, better acceleration, more responsive throttle, improved fuel economy. Step 8. The computer reset and relearn. Your Hyundai's computer stores adaptive values for fuel trim, idle speed, and throttle position. After all this cleaning and maintenance, these values are wrong. You need to reset them. Disconnect the battery for 20 to 30 minutes. This clears all adaptive values and resets the computer to factory settings. Perform an idle relearn procedure. After reconnecting the battery, turn the key to on, not start for 10 seconds. Turn off for 10 seconds. Repeat this 3 times. Start the engine and let it idle for 10 minutes without touching the throttle. Turn off the engine and let it sit for 5 minutes. Drive conservatively for 50 to 100 miles while the computer relearns. Avoid hard acceleration, high RPMs, and aggressive driving. This allows the computer to establish new baseline values based on your now clean engine. After the relearn period, you'll notice the engine runs even better as the computer optimizes for the cleaner, more efficient system. Step 9. The PCV system clean, often forgotten. The positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) system recirculates blow-by gases from the crankcase back into the intake. When it gets clogged or fails, pressure builds up in the crankcase, causing oil leaks, rough idle, and performance loss. Inspect the PCV valve. On most Hyundais, it's easy to access. Shake it. You should hear a rattle. If it doesn't rattle, it's stuck and needs replacement. A new PCV valve costs $15 to $40. Clean PCV hoses and passages. Remove and inspect all PCV hoses. Use brake cleaner or PCV cleaner to flush out oil residue and carbon deposits. Check the oil separator if equipped. Some Hyundais have an oil separator in the PCV system that can get clogged. Clean or replace it as needed. A clean PCV system provides smoother idle, reduced oil consumption, better crankcase ventilation, fewer oil leaks. Step 10. The final touches. These smaller items complete the transformation. Replace the cabin air filter. A clogged cabin filter restricts airflow through the HVAC system, making your blower motor work harder. Fresh air also makes driving more pleasant. Clean battery terminals. Corroded terminals create resistance and reduce charging efficiency. Clean them with a wire brush and baking soda solution. Check and adjust tire pressure. Proper tire pressure reduces rolling resistance, improving both performance and fuel economy. Use quality gasoline for the next few tanks. After all this cleaning, use top-tier gasoline to keep the fuel system clean and help your engine run at its best. The transformation. What to expect? After completing all these steps, your Hyundai engine will feel transformed. Here's what my customers consistently report. Immediate improvements. Smoother idle, engine vibration practically disappears. Better throttle response. No more hesitation or lag. Quieter operation. Less valve noise, smoother running, easier cold starts. Fires up immediately, within 100 to 200 miles. Improved fuel economy, typically 2 to 5 miles per gallon better. More power, especially noticeable during acceleration. Better highway performance, less noise, more confident passing power. Smoother transmission shifts, long-term benefits, extended engine life, clean engines last longer. Fewer repairs, proper maintenance prevents problems. Better resale value, well-maintained vehicles command premium prices, lower operating costs. Better efficiency means less spent on gas. Maintenance, keeping it running like new. You've invested time and effort to make your Hyundai run like new. Here's how to keep it that way. Change oil every 5,000 miles with quality full synthetic oil. This is your engine's lifeline. Use fuel system cleaner every 5,000 miles. Keep those injectors and intake valves clean. For GDI engines, have intake valves cleaned every 60,000 to 80,000 miles. Prevention is cheaper than waiting for problems. Replace spark plugs every 60,000 miles proactively, not reactively. Flush coolant every 50,000 miles or 5 years. Keep that cooling system fresh. Service transmission every 30,000 to 40,000 miles. Protect your transmission investment. The cost reality, let's talk money. Doing everything I've described costs approximately oil flush and change, $60 to $100 GDI carbon cleaning, $400 to $800 professional, or $30 DIY. Seafoam fuel system cleaning, $50 to $100 products and filter. Air intake system, $40 to $80 filter MAF cleaner. Spark plugs and coils, $100 to $300 depending on if coils needed. Cooling system flush, $100 to $200, transmission drain fill, $150 to $250, miscellaneous, $50 to $100. Total, $950 to $2,010 for the complete treatment professionally, or $500 to $800 if you do some work yourself. That might seem like a lot, but compare it to new engine, $4,000 to $8,000. Engine rebuild, $3,000 to $5,000. Buying a new car, $25,000 to $40,000. The math is clear. For less than $2,000, you can have an engine that runs like new and lasts for years to come. Your Hyundai's renaissance starts now. Everything I've shown you today is proven, tested, and repeatable. I've done this transformation on hundreds of Hyundais, and it works every single time. Your Hyundai engine isn't worn out. It's just dirty, choked, and running on compromised fluids. Clean it up, restore proper flow, use quality fluids, and suddenly you have an engine that performs like the day it rolled off the assembly line. The best part? You don't need to be a master mechanic to make this happen. Some steps you can do yourself. Others are worth paying a professional to handle. Either way, the investment pays dividends in performance, reliability, and longevity. Start with the basics: the oil flush, fuel system cleaning, and fresh spark plugs. Those three alone will make a dramatic difference. Then work through the remaining steps as time and budget allow. Your Hyundai has years of life left in it. Don't let neglect or contamination steal its potential. Give it the deep cleaning and restoration it deserves, and it will reward you with performance that rivals brand new vehicles. The transformation starts today. Your Hyundai engine is waiting to run like new again. Now go make it happen.